The most shocking thing that has ever happened in Champions League history. Players can get any injury in football, but no one ever expected a player to lose his finger in a match. Van Dijk was almost in tears and grabbed his head after he saw what happened to Noah Lang. In Liverpool's game against Galatasary, Noah tried to cut inside the box and Jones got the ball, but unfortunately the advertising board was way too close to the pitch and Noah's finger got stuck in it. And in one of the most shocking footages ever, his big finger was completely gone. Liverpool players couldn't believe what they saw. The medical staff rushed in immediately, but his situation might be even worse because he was taken to the hospital in this terrifying way.